blacktop, I will claim my e-bike. It's my e-bike, remember?
Why did Dad go up there anyways?
Just enjoy while last. Oh, he's gonna get the. No, he's not opening the thingy yet. Once he opened the garage. Is that nice? Is that fun?
What's holding up the trust me?
Finish. Fix your hair, please. Julie, Jade, fix your hair.
Powered off.
Okay. Can I do one more round? Oh, it's too long.
Why?
Too long for her.
Oh, it got this one.
Move it up.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, what?
Oh,
Okay, that's too.
no, it's too short now. Put your feet. Can you try your feet?
Turn your feet now.
That's perfect? Okay. Oh, so that's how you do it? Oh, nice. Okay, that makes sense. Now we know. Oh. Oh, yeah. That's true. Do you want to stand, Julene?
Power on. Anyway.
Okay, yeah. Why you doing that? It's okay, you can stand up. Why don't you stand up instead?
Mom, you're using my hoverboard and it's all dirty now.
Yeah, there you go. Okay, follow her, Jelana.
Oh, sorry. Oh. Yeah. Oh, and they have like vitamins. I had 2 bites of banana and 1 vitamin.
Okay, good.
Oh. I like this like there's a flag. There's like a flag. Whoa.
Oh, be careful.
I can do
Kita
it
mo
too,
ni
Grandma.
mother ni.
Grandma, I can do it and so does she.
May bago na naman siya ah.
Can I show her? Can I show Grandma? Wow.
Ayaw naman niyang pa-share bagam ah.
Grandma, sit down here.
Pa-share mo, sabi mo, pa-share mo sa kapatid mo.
Share.
Sabi mo ah, si Julene naman, sabi mo.
Ako naman.
Oh, grandma gonna do it. Ayaw, si Julene naman daw, sabi mo.
I know like 5 minutes.
Okay na. Oo nga, maganda pag may blacktop na tayo. Astig. Ang galing ah. You can go fast and then break. Go fast, Jelana. Break. Go fast. Jade, fix your